Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying prerequisites. The correct ASB, NET Core SDK, and the DAI package are present. Next, decide lifetimes, singleton for shared state, scoped per HTTP request, transient for short-lived tasks, because lifetime affects resource usage and concurrency. Then open program, CS or startup. CS and register your interfaces and implementations using Builder. Services. Add singleton, add scoped, or add transient. Once done, the DAI container knows how to construct types. Make sure registrations match constructor dependencies so resolution succeeds at runtime. Now wire services into your app. Prefer constructor injection so dependencies are explicit and testable. Inject interfaces into controllers, Razor pages, or hosted services. For middleware, request services from context. Request services when necessary. Use typed or named HTTP client registrations to configure endpoints and resilience. Avoid iService provider. Resolve in regular code because it hides dependencies. Reserve it for factories or plugin loading. Once injected, call methods directly. Unit tests can replace implementations with mocks for focused verification. To finish, validate registrations and run the app. Use service provider. Validate scopes in development or add diagnostic checks to catch missing dependencies early. For background tasks, create scopes with iService Scope Factory so scoped services are safe. Otherwise, you risk disposed services or memory leaks. Finally, if DAI fails, examine constructor parameter types and lifetimes. Mismatched lifetimes and missing services are the usual culprits. If things go wrong, reproduce the error with minimal code. Review the DAI graph, and adjust registrations to match usage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.